Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will show you how to deactivate your Threads account. So this is a new app that came out for Instagram. It is a popular app that's currently going off at the moment, and yeah, it's trying to compete with Twitter. So I'll show you how to deactivate this account if you don't want it. So stick around to the end and I'll show you how to do that. So now you want to go to your Threads account. So I'm on it now, and you want to click the bottom right corner, and this is going to bring up this section. And now you want to click account, and now we want to have a look at take a break first every 10 minutes or 20 minutes or 30 minutes. So you can take a break if you want to, but we are going to deactivate. So go to deactivate profile there and click deactivate Threads profile and click deactivate. So that's it for today's video. If you did enjoy, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. So yeah, let me know what you think about this new Threads account. If you like it, do you think you're going to use it, or is it going to flop? Thank you. Peace.